Silver Buff.
Howdy folks, Silver Buff here. Wanted to show you this coin real quick. Got this off of the eBay. Came out of New York. And you can tell here it's a copper coin. Part of the Zombucks collection there. Overall the pictures look pretty good that they provided. And came out of Paris, New York. Came in a nice package. Appreciate that. It was put in a note there and came in the original slip. Overall it's a nice coin. Don't mind it one bit. You can see it still has a nice shiny gloss to it and not too many fingerprints. Paid a little bit more than I wanted to for a copper coin, but I needed it because it's part of a set, and it was the last coin I needed to complete the set. Got some pictures here for you, and here's the completed set there. And I'll go ahead and show you some photos of this complete set if you're interested. I really love this Zombucks. Really nice coins. Some of them have some gold tone to them. This is what they all look like on the back, and I'll just let you check out all this. Thanks. Thanks for checking out my video, and like and subscribe for some free giveaways. Silver giveaways, that is. Have a good one.